Hello, it's Diane with What Diane Loves, and that is my Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and it's also a website that I am currently developing or designing, whatdianeloves.com. I talk about products, events, food, everything. As long as I love it, I talk about it. So, as you probably know, Prime Days, it's more than one day now. Prime Days is going on, and I'm recording this in late June. And I saw some items. I had been watching them for a while, and I decided with the promotion, I would just go ahead and purchase the items that I had been eyeing for a while. My videos are never sponsored, and I buy things with my own money. I mean, I'm open to a sponsorship, but my videos are not sponsored. I buy everything with my own money, and I'm just basically talking about products that I love. So the first product, and this was a combo. I'm kind of into the tech right now. So this is a Logitech mouse. It's called a pop mouse. It's wireless. And it came with a keyboard, but I'm going to show you the mouse first. And I did open it before, like I opened the box so that I wouldn't be fumbling to try to get the box open on camera. And here's the mouse. It's lilac, one of my favorite colors. And as you can see, it's ready to pair with something because I have my tablet here. And what I love about the mouse and the tablet is that it will pair with PC or Mac products. So I do have a PC, I have a tablet, and I also have a Mac, so an iMac. Here's the keyboard. Lovely pop keyboard. And we'll unbox that too. And I did kind of like move the paper out of the way. So we'll take it out the paper and I'll just throw that down there somewhere. And then I'll show you the keyboard. And it's lilac and nice. And what I like is that it's so heavy weighted keyboard. It feels like if you're Generation X or older, I'm Gen X, it feels like a keyboard we would have used like back in the day. So I love that. And I love that it's lilac. That's also cool. And I like how the keys are raised as well. So that's what got me. So, and I like how the sound that this makes as well. That's kind of cool. I like that. And I can't wait to pair it with the laptop or my PC or my tablet, actually. And when I do that, I will make a video showing how it works in real time, because if I tried to do that now, this would be a much longer video than you would want to watch. So I will do that and make another video. But I like the feel of that. I like the mouse as well. And yeah, so I'm excited to have these two products now. On the Prime Day special, it was $99.98. And the regular price is like $108. So $99.98 plus tax. And I got a colorful keyboard and a mouse